My name is John Stanford, Assistant Fire Chief here at Rheems Fire Department, and today I'm going to give you some background on our department and our new Pierce apparatus. Rheems Fire Department was founded in 1920 and is based in the rapidly growing northwest corner of Lancaster County. We average over 300 calls a year with a roster of about 30 active firefighters and many administrative and support personnel. The department is 100% volunteer and is come from home response based. Our first due area includes residential communities, industrial and commercial properties, rural farming communities, and over 6 miles of State Route 283. We currently house the new rescue you're about to see, a pumper, a tanker, and a support unit. We strongly feel one thing that sets us apart is our family-friendly atmosphere. We encourage significant others and their children to be present and involved in all aspects of our operation. And we believe that it has been a huge benefit to retaining active volunteers in a time when volunteerism is dwindling. Let's go take a look at the new rescue. This process first started many years ago when we noted that there was a need for a better rescue resource than what we were currently using. So starting that process, we knew that we needed to still have a pump, and we still had to get a lot of equipment on this apparatus in a small package that can maneuver around the smaller streets in our first due and our mutual aid partners areas. So what we did, working with Pierce, was incorporate the puck concept that you're about to see, and that puck concept allowed us to keep the apparatus short while increasing our ground height access equipment exponentially. One of the things that you're going to see on this truck, all of the equipment that is mounted in here was all done by Glick Fire Equipment at their fabrication shop. This equipment came back to us completely empty in the compartments. We expect no shelves, no rollout units, no dividers. Everything was custom fit to our application and what we needed to service us. The crew area on this apparatus is pretty sizable. One of the reasons for that is we opted for the longer cab, not just specifically for the crew space, but for the extra compartment space. We wanted to try to get all of the compartment space at ground level that we possibly could. So with this compartment, you see we have a lot of storage and the ability to put gear and other belongings in here. Typically on Pierce's puck concept, this area is used for hose lines that come out either side. With our concept, we felt it better to put the hose lines off the front of the apparatus and off the rear, which gives us the ability to slide this tray out and have a fully transverse compartment to access tools and our Stokes basket, as well as some high-rise racks that we have stored. Pierce has a command zone system. Most times that command zone system is for the driver or operator to control in the cab. We've put that at several locations, in the pump panel and at the officer's seat. So at any place we can control the HVAC, scene lighting, and other functions in that command zone system. Something you might take notice to is that the compartment doors are higher than they are on a normal apparatus. We opted to go with a 76-inch compartment height, again to allow us for more ground access storage. This makes the compartment a little bit taller, but gives us a whole lot more space that we can store equipment that people do not have to climb on top of the apparatus to access it. One of the things that we have done is move to a battery-operated rescue tool. This is something that's kind of new to the industry, but has been evolving over the past several years. Through a lot of testing, we found that this system was going to work exponentially better for us, and it gives us the ease of movement that we can position the apparatus wherever it needs to be. With this concept, we do have to have some topside storage. So we wanted to make sure that our firefighters were going to be as safe as possible to access the equipment that's stored on top of the rig. The ladder provided here by Pierce, as well as the landing up top there, allows for easy egress to get up and down from the top of the apparatus, and any equipment that you can be taking down from there to get down safely. So in the several compartments beside me here, you're going to see examples of the equipment mounting that we had done by Glick's Fabrication shop. We have several options here with roll-out drop-down trays that just roll out to us to make equipment easier to access, and then shelving units that are custom designed for the equipment that we were going to put in. Another important thing that we did through our tool mounting was to make sure there was easy access inside and outside for firefighters to grab the tools that they need on any type of call. The design intent of our apparatus was to increase significantly the amount of tools that we carry, as well as the disciplines in which we serve. We have added resources on this apparatus to include water rescue, rope rescue, confined space, farm rescue, and heavy vehicle rescue. So you can see that a smaller unit like this can in fact hold a lot of tools and function in a variety of ways.